Alright, we should be streaming here. Hope you can hear me. So today we are in market opened about 9 minutes ago. Got everything marked out on the chart here that I want to see. Currently, we were above previous day's highs on both. And then what am I kind of looking for? I'm looking to see how we react off of these session lows here. We do have that SMT. Like right now, we're just kind of going through it. We already went through London session low. Some hourly lows right here. Maybe we'll SMT off those. And I'm gonna scale down to 5 minutes. See what's going on here. Yep, just kind of kind of tanking down. These were London session lows. These are hourly lows right here. They both swept the London session lows. Let's see what's going on here. I am leaning towards continuation today, considering the fact that we've just considering there's literally no reason for us to go higher, as well as based on market open as well. But we gotta wait and see if we can get something here. We had this bullish SMT right here, but then that was completed right here. Now we have this bearish SMT sweeping these highs right here. All the way to these highs. I'm just gonna watch and wait. We did just dump like 120 points at open on NASDAQ, so we'll see what kind of goes on over there. I'd like to see us go all the way. Actually, we really could do anything right here, but no reaction off of London session lows. Let's see how we react off these hourly, and then also have previous day lows and all these other lows, because we have all these lows just like stacked up. We've just been in an uptrend since yesterday. Well, 2 days ago. No, yesterday. At 3, we've just been straight up going up. But once again, I need something to tell me that we're going to continue going lower. Ideally, we would have this 5 minute right here, and that would be because I'm not saying we couldn't reverse, I'm just saying pretty unlikely, because once again, what are we reversing for? That's the question. market opens, and then we just dump. And then we have the S&T, we have all these stacked lows right here. We've already swept previous day's highs. I'm not totally opposed to the idea that we could go up. We could really do anything, but I am leaning more bearish. I will say that. So, Forex Factory. Pretty much no news. So, okay. Got a little move right here. I'd like to see us reach this fair value gap, and I'll draw out again. What do I want to see here? I'd like to see us go back into here and then go lower. I don't know how low we're gonna go, but that's what I'd like to see. We'll see if that happens though. Doesn't look like it. Might not be able to take a trade today though. Just we'll see. Yep, okay. It's unfortunate. Point move that I couldn't catch. That's fine. All right, and then, all right, well, I don't know if we're gonna even have a trade today. Market kind of just dumped. We'll see. We'll see if we get anything, but I'm leaning towards wouldn't perfect if we hit that fair value gap and went down, but it is what it is. All right. All right. Getting some moves up now on the 1 minute, finally. I'm not totally. I was leaning more bearish. Still bearish, but I need to see some type of retrace for me to enter. Otherwise, I can't enter. The fact that we're just dumping on open is kind of crazy. Alright, what's 840? It's 948, 49. Let's see. Interesting. Okay. I like where this is going. Okay. Short-lived. I could flip bullish, that'd be incredible. Ooh, nice. That's good. That's what you like to see right there. Alright. Literally micro fair value gap right here, but still gonna mark it out. Interesting. ES is getting moves up. Okay. This is good. This is good. This is good. This is good. It's perfect, actually. Right as I think. I'm not going to get anything. Alright, tapped in equilibrium. Let's see what's going on here. We did make an SMT off of, yeah, a bullish SMT. Off of these lows right here. That's just a 1 minute though. Ideally that would be a 5 minute. Okay, so I either need us to, this is a crucial point right here. Alright, actually gotta get ready to short here. If we see what we like. Actually do a 1 minute SMT, but I'm not too concerned about that. Let's say we could reverse here. Actually looking like a decent reversal setup. Okay, this is what I'm watching here. We do have a bullish SMT, so I'm going to be very careful with what I do here. See right here. We have this wick right here. Okay. Let's just flip bearish. Again, in order for me to take a short, I'm going to need to see this get completely inversed right here. And I'm kind of hoping it doesn't get inversed. kind of hoping we can catch a reversal to go higher, but kind of depends on what ES does right here. All right. Let's wait and see. We gotta wait for a candle closure. Let's see what happens here. Okay. There we go. That's what we wait right there. We waited. Seems like we're gonna flip bullish here. Okay. All right. Ooh, that's crucial candle right there. That is a crucial candle. That's why we always wait for it to flip bullish. Holy cow. I can't even see what's going on my screen anymore. Break structure here. I gotta rethink now. Okay, now I need to see right here. Let me get half the stuff off my screen that we don't need. Now we're all of a sudden ripping up. I like how NQ's looking. There we go, that's what we needed right there. Yes, bro. This is perfect. Kind of need us to move down though here. I need a 5-minute retrace, not a 1-minute retrace though, unfortunately. We could have taken a trade right here at this break of structure, but we decided not to, so I'm going to need to pull back to this level. Okay. This is ideal. contract's about to be expired, so. It's okay, I didn't really want to enter anyways. Okay, well, just save me, I guess. I mean, like, dude. Okay, everything's not marked out anymore, but that's fine. This is either a golden short or if we close and reverse all those, then it's got to be a short. Holy fill. Okay. We lose this one. That is also okay, I guess. Oh, that's not what you want to see. No, 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 no. Brother, are we serious? Okay, well, we're going to get stopped out again pretty quick. That's unfortunate. That wick is not looking nice. Question mark? Bear system T. Okay. Alright. It's okay. We're fine. We're fine. It is what it is. Alright, bro. Great, bro. I mean, just go straight up to the moon. Literally, second I take a trade, it just starts going the opposite direction. It is what it is. Okay, that's the cost of doing business, I guess. I'll just have to review it. Okay, I guess we're not stopped out. I mean, insane wick, really? Insane wick. Alright then, bro, I'm okay taking this loss at this point. Now we should move down. I really need this 5 minutes to flip bearish. All right. ES is looking nice. NQ is looking not so nice. Okay, NQ. Let's start moving down here, buddy. Buddy, let's move down. Okay. ES is miles ahead of you. Look at all this, bro. All right. If we go straight up to my stop loss, I'm okay with that now at this point. It's a very acceptable trade in my eyes. Just entered a little bit I entered prematurely for sure. Should have waited a bit longer. Would have had a better entry on ES as well. Well, yeah, about the same, maybe a bit better. Seems like we're consolidating now, so. I'll just stay on the 5 minute here and watch. Okay, yeah, we're cooked. It's over. Actually, now we're in a good spot here. Actually. We're in a good spot. This is a good spot. That's the fact that this 5-minute flipped bearish is very nice. I mean, we could still get stopped out and whatever, but I feel a lot better about this trade, even if it's a loss. We're kind of just staying in the same spot, so I like to see us maybe I feel like we've had our pullback, so we're either going to continue down or we're not. And if we don't, we don't. And it is what it is. Okay. But yeah, I almost got stopped out earlier. If it did, that would have been really unfortunate. No, I don't care so much. As long as the trade lasts for a bit. Could have had a better entry though, considering the fact we're in red the entire time. But we just tapped slightly. We're about entry right now, so that's fine. We're fine. All these candles are great, actually. These candles, like if we look at the 15-minute, like this 15-minute is going to be pretty, well, 15-minute is not great. Not all these candles are that great. I'm not gonna lie. What was this, the 30 minutes? These are kind of continuation candles, if I'm being honest. We'll see what happens here. We could just easily sweep these lows and then reverse back up. In that case, we will. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna break even here, and then our take profit's gonna be here. Also, don't want to see ES come back up here. So if ES sweeps these out, then I would want. Okay, no, we're just flip bullish. It's kind of all over the place right now. We'll look at this. Holy. It actually saved me the fact that okay, maybe it didn't. Yeah, I'm gonna stay on the 5-minute here. There's no point in going in the 1-minute. Alright, we're going for about 35 minutes. Aiming for, we'll see. I mean, it's totally possible that we hit our stop loss here. I mean, it's totally possible we hit our stop loss and then continue lower, but we could do anything here. Sure, we could just go up and hit the stop loss right now. Doesn't really matter. This actually isn't terrible that we're going up right here. Believe it or not, this actually isn't that bad. Could be some good turtle soup. That is very nice, actually. That is very nice. I'm not going to micromanage. I'm going to leave it on the 5 minute, and I'm going to wait and see. We risked correctly, I believe. Yep, pretty much. That's all that matters. Let's go over basically what this trade was based off of to begin with. Even if we win or lose. So today I was just really looking for a continuation because we could reverse here, like I said, who knows. But we've been consistently going up since yesterday. That's another reason. We have a higher time frame bearish S&T on the bigger time frame. There's really no reason for us to reverse here. I mean, you could say, well, we swept these out, which is true. It's the one thing. But we swept those out, and after we swept those out, we didn't really, our reaction wasn't really what I wanted to see out of a reversal setup. So it's a risk I'm willing to take. We have these lows right here, these lows all the way down here. Kind of same thing, going up and then coming back down. We are kind of sell side of this curve, but I don't really care what happens as long as I risk correctly, then I'm okay with this trade. Definitely wasn't A plus. Maybe it was like a B setup, maybe even a C setup, but it is what it is. It could just completely reverse here. We're still at pretty much entry, which is crazy. Considering the fact that we've usually in a trade and I lose the trade within, I mean, I'm either stopped out within like a minute or two, or I'm in the green heading towards my profit target. Usually I'm not just sitting at entry waiting, but like I said, when ES hits these right here, I am going to break even. Because after that, if we reverse back up, I don't really care to be in a trade and lose money on that. That's interesting. It seems like ES is lower than NQ now, which is interesting. price action. That's why I'd want to break even at when ES hits these right here. Not these. These are too low. At these. Okay, that's nice. Man, we got all these stacked lows and stacked highs. We're just waiting to go through one of those sides. There's on ES. I don't know, 921. Okay. These are kind of the trades I don't like. Stops at a very protected area. Going for about 42 minutes. All right, let's see what we can do here. Let's see if ES will finally, or NQ will finally go down, or if we will just stay in red. Okay, there we go. Oh, okay. All right. Every time it tries to go up, it just gets tanked back down. Wow. Wow. Just wow. Insane. Oh, it seems like it's going to be the final push up. It's going to stop me out. Let's see. Oh. Let's see. Let's see. Oh. Here we go. Let's see. I assume we're going to get stopped out here. We'll see. And all right. And okay. All right. Okay, so I'd either want to see us hit my stop, or I'd want to see us completely reverse this 1 minute. That's what I want to see. If we completely inverse this 1 minute, we win. I don't really care though. Wow. Okay. All right. Cool. Jeez, bro. Talk about a good stop loss. Jeez, bro. Jeez. We can close under this fair value gap. Holy cow. Okay. That's ridiculous. That's one of the craziest things. Yes, we closed under it. Okay, now we should start getting some moves down here. Now we should start getting some moves down. Here we go. In hindsight, I should have bought ES. But now we're back to the same spot we were at. Gosh. Okay. I like these pushes down. Let's push down, and then I can break even, and then we call it a day. One of the longest trades I've ever had, to be honest. What time is it? Started trade at 10:02. It's 10:26, and we're still in the same spot. That's crazy. All right, I'm fairly confident we'll go down now. After this right here, that's a cash grab right there. But we'll see if they're gonna try again. See if it tries again to go up. If it goes up again, then we're done. Then I know we're done. We're finished. I kind of want to see it go up again, though. I mean, look at this. This is ridiculous. This is absurd. What is this? 350. We get like 6 points away. And then we get like 4 points away. It's insane. It's insane. Just to end up in the same spot. I mean, we're definitely getting stopped out here. I can feel it in my bones. Yeah, I mean, this is all there is to stream. I mean, the price isn't going anywhere, so I'm just going to end the stream here, and you'll know by the title if I win or lose. But yeah.